Hi, my name is Brandon Shahan with Sukup Manufacturing Company, and welcome back to our dryer service video series. Today we're going to be talking about the ATS22 and how to program it. Usually these are factory set. It's good to go through them if you're doing a startup. Otherwise, if you're doing a direct replacement, we're going to want to make sure we get all of these entered in here correctly. This particular panel I'm working with is a 230 volt. And I'm working with a 30 horsepower motor. So whenever you change different motors, the amp settings are going to be different on these settings. So the first one, and this information is all these settings are in the 2020 dryer service handout, and that's what I'm directly getting these from. And in the handout, it tells me I need to set the ULN, the in rush current, the LAC, the TLS, the THP, ITH, and then both relays, R1 and R2. So we're going to get started. The drive will normally say ready when everything is okay. Our particular panel here is not fed three-phase power, so we have an NRDY, not ready, but we're still going to be able to go through these step by step and show you how to enter them into this drive. So the first one is the ULN, which is the line voltage. Whatever the line voltage coming into the particular panel, that's what you want to set this at. So I'm going to scroll down till I see CONF. I'm going to push enter, and I'm looking for ULN. Enter, and there's my line voltage. My line voltage on this particular panel is 230. So I need to arrow down until I find 230. And when I push this enter button, that's going to lock that in. Now that's in the drive. Now I'm going to escape to the main menu, to the ready. Now I'm going to set the amps specifically to the motor. A 30 horsepower motor is 80 amps. So I'm going to arrow down, CONF. I'm going to push enter. And I'm going to look for in, which is my current, enter. That setting needs to be 80 amps. I'm going to push enter, lock that in, and then I'm going to escape back to the main menu. The next setting is the LAC. That's the advanced mode. That advanced mode needs to be on. So I'm going to scroll down. Till I find LAC. I'm going to push enter. I'm going to turn that on. Enter. I'm going to escape to the main menu. Now I need to find the TLS. The TLS is the max start time. The max start time on this particular one needs to be 20 seconds. So I'm going to go to the settings menu this time. So I'm going to go past to the set menu. I'm going to push enter. And now I'm looking for TLS. I'm going to push enter. And I'm going to put that setting at 20. Enter. I'm going to go back to the main menu. Now I'm looking for THP. THP is our motor thermal protection. That motor thermal protection needs to be set at 20. Enter. I'm going to put that at 20. Enter. Escape back to the main menu. The next setting that we're looking for is ITH. That's in the advanced settings. And that is overload protection. The overload protection needs to be E-run. So I'm going to go down. There's my ITH. Enter. And that needs to say E-run. Arrow down till it says E-run. Enter. Escape back to the main menu. Now we're going to set the relays. Those are in the inputs and outputs. So I'm going to go to R1 relay. I'm going to go down to my inputs output menu, which is IO. It looks like a 10, but that's inputs and outputs. Enter. Scroll down till I find R1. I'm going to push enter. That one needs to trip. I'm looking for trip, TRIP. There it is. Enter. Escape. And now I need to set the R2. I need to set that one to running. Back down to my inputs and outputs. Enter. Look for R2. Enter. That needs to say running. or run. And there's run, enter. Now your ATS22 soft start is now programmed. Remember, this video and more can be found at our website at www.sukup.com and our YouTube channel at Sukup MFG.